guys, well welcome. We're here. We have the Raceland Coilovers for the 2002 SG Forester, 2002-2008. My car is a 2003. So the reason I got these coilovers is my rear driver's side strut is actually leaking. It's really bad. The passenger side is starting to leak now. The two fronts are still good. But another reason it sucks that I did order these is because the fronts are seized. I was going to try to raise the car when I got the new tires. But I couldn't raise them because they were seized, they were rusted. And I didn't put any type of like lubrication on them to like prevent them from rusting. So at that point I decided, you know, either get smaller tires, which I ended up doing, or get new coilovers, which is obviously way more expensive. My top choice is always BCs. I always love BC. They make great products. I have those on the Legacy. They're about $1,000, and I don't have like $1,000 ready. But I was about to drop it. I'll save up and get them. But before I did, I decided to check out Raceland because they had ads running, and because they're advertising, I decided to check them out. And I went on the website. They had them for my specific Forester, and the price was about $480 shipped. Free shipping and lifetime warranty, and at that point I was like, you know what I got to lose, I'll try it out. If worse comes to worse, you know, I'll get the BCs later. And you know, anyways, lifetime warranty. And I don't know, I'm just curious about Raceland, since I know when they first started out they were pretty budget friendly, and they're still somewhat cheap, but I think they've gotten better over time. I mean, like I said, technology gets better every day. So we get, and in the end, the consumer gets a better product for a cheaper price. You know, but we'll see. So let's open these up and see what we got in here. So these are the Raceland Coilovers, the classics. Got a little sticker. FedEx, free shipping, like I said, couldn't beat it. Instructions on how to install them. Oh, nice. Look at that. Pretty simple. Okay, these are the fronts, as you can see. It's got the, it says right, got the camber adjustment. That's pretty cool. Side rears. Got two perches here. Nice, wow, these are really solid actually. Compared to the max speeding rods, these are a lot, I don't know, they're just like bigger, thicker, seems more sturdy. So good stuff there. Nice. Here is the driver's side. Good stuff. And that is all that's in the box. That's it.